Hey guys, how's it going? Finally, the moment has come. The moment of truth has come. That's what you've been waiting for. It's Subway Surfers is now in Havana, and I was about to make this on the first day, but however, I had plans. I had very busy plans I had to do. I had to go on vacation, but I am happy to be back, back from vacation, back into the Subway Surfer world. So, I know my vacation isn't over yet, but I know I am going to Mason after all that struggle of Pittsburgh. Whew. Man, I could really go for some drinks right now. So, how is your summer going? And did you see Camila Cabello perform on Good Morning America? Because I did. Havana, na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. I hope my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, na na. Yeah, I got that song. Oh, come on. What? Why? I better do this again. Bro, I just did that word hunt. So, like I was saying, I got Ramona with her own elegant outfit. Man, she kind of looks like that 50s rockabilly chick, you know what I mean? Even though I got Ramona 2 years ago, and that was cool. Doesn't she look pretty? Pretty indeed. Oh, come on. Do you have to do that? Oh. I know, oh, man. Well, that was embarrassing. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join the army of Mackenzie Wagner. Thanks for watching!